Today we talk about how can you enable status offline on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on status, just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on offline here. So then it's going to enable with you here. It's going to add with you here offline on your searches on your Zello app, like you see now here. So that's all you have to do to search offline searches. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.